Hey BGW clients, friends, and family. This video is going to go over how to electronically send documents to your BGW representative. This is just a way to avoid having to physically mail paper documents or actually come down to the Camden office. This is just a streamlined way of getting documents from one place to another, given they're already scanned or if they're in a Word document or an Excel spreadsheet. It's just a nice, easy way to have it all in electronic process. But to get started, we're going to go trustbgw.sharefile.com, and then we're going to log into our account. If you don't already have an account set up, you can contact your BGW representative or Gloria Bentley, who's our office admin, who will help you get set up. So once you get into the login page, if you're one of our clients who has a couple businesses and then your 1040, you'll see all of your projects in the shared folder section. In this case, though, for simplicity, this is just going to be a 1040. So we want to open the document, or open the folder that we want to upload the documents to. Info from client to BGW. 2019 documents, because that's the year tax year we're in. And then from here, you will you can browse files, which will bring up a Windows Explorer folder, or if you already have your folder up with all your 2019 tax documents, you can just click them all and drag them in. Then from here, it's just going to load up. And then once all these are at 100%, your BGW representative will get an email saying that you uploaded documents to the client folder. And then from here, if you need to add more documents, you're welcome to go back to the same page and then upload more. You can create folders if you have a lot of different documents. You can create notes in here. However, once you're done with this, again, your BGW representative will get the email, and then after that, we should be able to get started on your tax return. Again, if you have any questions, please contact your BGW representative or Gloria Bentley, and they'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.